Hi everyone, I'll show you how to make a bat in this video. I'll begin by folding my paper in half on the diagonal. Fold in half again. And then unfold. With the long edge, I'll fold this up to about 1/3. Flip over to the other side and I'll fold the sides on a diagonal angle. Then using those outer corners, I'll fold these downwards. Then from the top of the corners of these sections, I'll fold this in half. I'll work on the middle section now. Using both layers, I'll fold this down. Here I'll make a little triangle for the nose. Then I'll fold the tip over to form that little detail. Grab some scissors and make two little diagonal slits, one on the left, one on the right. Finish your bat by folding the ears upwards. Happy folding, everyone! Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.